Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 5, Creating Functions, Part 4. Let's jump in and see what we're going to do today. This is your code from the previous level. Did you know that you can write functions that call your own functions? I don't think I knew that. That's pretty interesting. Take the code that draws the rectangle and move it into a new function called drawRectangle. The first line of your program should be a single call to drawRectangle. The rest of your code should just be function definitions. Note, your program will still do the same thing. We are just changing the way it is written to demonstrate that you can use a function you've already written as building blocks in new functions. Fascinating. Take a look at our code. This is my previous code here, and what this did was just drew out a rectangle here. Made mine a little more efficient by making a side function and a side call. So this one is saying that I can put this all into a function and then just call that function. Let's test out this hypothesis. I'm going to drag over a new little stub here. I'm going to highlight all of my previous code and move it in there. This one is going to be named drawRectangle. We have to add a call to that now. So I'm going to place my call above it. Remember, calls always go above my function. I'm going to rename this the same thing, drawRectangle. So anytime I call drawRectangle, it'll come down to my function and it will do whatever is in my brackets here. Let's test out my theory. Hit reset and run. Let's see what happens here. Slow the speed down a little so we can see it. And run. There you go, beautiful. On this instance, I can now draw a bunch of rectangles around the screen if I needed to, and I only have to write it out once instead of all this code down here. That makes it super efficient. I like what I did here. Let's see if code.org agrees. Hey. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next puzzle.